Okay, good morning, guys. It is 12:48 today. I'm recording this. I just, for some reason, I wasn't able to trade this morning, which is completely fine. But I was on my phone this morning and I saw that TradingView is hosting that competition they always have. I usually always stay away from these competitions because I'm like, you know what? I don't know. I don't want to trade this competition. So I was like, you know what? Let's try it. Let's join this competition actually because people use this to test out their strategy, right? And plus, if you win, they pay the first person to the 50th person $3,000, and the rest of them get six months of free trading view access, right? I don't mind that. I mean, plus I can get the top of the line trainer because I have the cheap one as of right now. So it's like, let's go ahead and try this. When I looked at the leaderboard, the number one person was up like $700 for a day because it's a $250,000 account. And the good thing about this is they limit the size you could trade, so they don't let you trade like 10 contracts. No, and plus it's only forex. And I'm not too keen about forex. I left forex and I'm trading futures. But what I do like about forex is I like trading gold and in Bitcoin. Why not? Let's give it a shot. So I was like, you know what? Since the top person had was up $700 today, I was like, you know what? Let's try to see if we can get close to that. And the top 10, I know the 10 person on the list was making, I was up like $500. Like if we see a good trade, we can make $500. Plus, I use the max they let you trade, which is 0.17, which ain't shit by the way, because like they limit the amount of contract you can trade. So I took a couple trades this morning. A couple beautiful trades. As you can see, my entry was right here. So first one, the 5 minute, we had to break a structure to the upside, break a structure to the downside, and this was a change of character because first we were going up, so I was kind of expecting markets, keep pushing up. Maybe this was just a fake. I was going to continue pushing up. Then on the 5 minute strategy that we have, I use on the what they call. So if we pull this out, as you can see, we got up 0.50%. We didn't get it quite 0.25% retracement. So what I did was I waited for a break of structure of one of these candles over here, and it was this one. So kind of broke the structure. So let me go ahead and draw this out for you. So we had a breaker structure here. It's just gonna be a short video. I'll keep you guys updated because I'm not gonna watch it all day. I'll keep you guys updated tomorrow so you guys can see the what's it called? So you guys can see how everything comes down to. So breaker structure happened right there, and I was kind of like, okay, let me do this. So this is what the higher time frame looks like. So you can clearly see we're bearish, right? We can clearly see that we are completely bearish. So, and plus on the lower time frame, we can see the market started to push up. We started having breaker structures and stuff like that. So I just came on the 5 minute like we always want to trade on because it's higher time frame, which means we're going to be less. We're going to be wrong a lot less. So breaker structure happened right here. We also had a breaker structure to the upside. I was like, fine, okay, let's see. So we drew the two from the high to the low. And as you can see, we almost got a 0.25% retrace, but we did not, which is fine. So what we did get was, we had an up bar, up, up. This candle was taken out by this bearish candle. So this becomes up bar, and down bar. Okay. So we took out this low, right? So my entry was right here, as you guys can see. So it's not like I'm just telling you something. This was literally where my entry was. And my stop loss was at this high over here. Because if the market came out to take out this high, means we were no longer valid. So I took that short. And of course, as you guys can see, took out this first low. I've been trading, of course. I moved my stop loss when the market pushed down over here and over here as well. Because I know if the market comes down over here, it means the trade is no longer valid. As you can see, played around over here, here, now here. Now I'm waiting for something else so we can continue. I can keep trailing the stop loss, of course. But as you guys can see on the account, so realized profit, I'm down $25.75. What's it called? Unrealized, we're looking at 382 for this is the first one for gold. Okay, and this is Bitcoin. Same thing, pretty much nothing crazy. I'm not really sure about this Bitcoin one because it was acting mad crazy at first. This morning we had a huge push to the upside. The market was bullish, crazy, and I was kind of expecting momentum because I was going to see if we could buy at the 0.75%, 0.25% retracement, which we did get, but the market was acting crazy. So I went to a higher time frame. Of course, remember if you can't understand a lower time frame, you want to go higher. So on the lower time frame, we had a break of structure here, break of structure. Okay, but just this break of structure. As soon as we took out this break of structure, what I saw was, and maybe this was just a change of structure for the market structure, because usually if we want to see a break of structure, a change of character, then a break of structure, because this might just be a fake out, and we want to eliminate that. So what I did was, as now that I knew that, I just went down to all the time frame, the five where I usually take all my trades, and I said, okay, move the stop us down to this high because we shouldn't come out take out that high. So then we had, oops. I had this too on here because I've been on my phone all day. I haven't really been on my computer, so that's why everything you can see all this alarm. I put them on my phone. So we had this breaker structure down here to the downside. We pushed down. You see, I didn't get in on this huge push. I waited for some kind of retracement, and let me show you how I took my trade. So I drew from the high to the low. So most of the entries you're seeing today have been B setups. No, it hasn't been really A setup. So entry right there, as you can see, we got a 50% retracement. So and now just waiting for a break of structures off some candles. So we were pushing up, as you can see, up bar, up bar, up bar. Then we had this down bar. This green bar took out this low. So this became a down bar. It was an up bar. And as soon as we took out this one again, as you can see, I got an entry. So this is a down bar. Enter right there. So, and what's it called? Enter right there. Stop loss was at this high at first. The market pushed down, came back again. I put my stop loss at this high, pushed down, stop loss here. As you can see, I just want my stop loss over here. Now, the reason why is because if the market does come back over here, it means this is no longer valid. And plus, I'm kind of having second thoughts about this one because as you can see, first it pushed down over here, pushed back up, reversed again, close to hitting my stop loss. I was over here, then pushed all the way down again. So I don't want to play the game with Bitcoin because maybe this was the move that wanted to happen today, which is completely fine. So now I'm just kind of holding my trades. That is pretty much it, guys. As you guys can see, I will keep you guys know. Just know this: whatever happens, if I was to lose this trade, I'm fine losing $21. That's chicken change. We can make that up the next coming days to come. So as you guys can see on this account, if I lose this, it's $21, and if I lose this gold trade, maybe it's $200. I'm fine with that. I'm not trying to rush my way because most people are gonna have those huge good days and they're gonna go up to the leaderboard. They're not gonna last the whole 30 days. The good thing about this is since they limit the amount of contract you can trade, then you don't have to worry too much about blowing up. So that's one of the good things I like about this one. So I'm just excited to see how the coming days trade. Plus, I can only trade gold and what's it called and Bitcoin. That's fine. Those two is all I need. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep trying to find trades and kind of go from there. Um, so that's it, guys. I just want to at least show you guys this competition, like I said, that I'm telling you guys about. And before I end this video, I want to kind of show you the leaderboard, so you gotta know what our odds are. Okay, so give me a sec. Let me show you guys. Okay, as you guys can see, 28 days left, 14 hours, 4 minutes, and some other stuff over there. So as you guys can see, leaderboard, my position is 28,730. That's crazy. I can't believe there, and that's my position there. Of course, there are more people less than I am. So what's it called? I think there are almost 70,000 people. I don't know. But so this is what it looks like. As you guys see, realized profit is $25.75. No need to rush. You see the big dogs, they're up almost 2 G's on this trade on their account, right? 2 G's. And of course it's gonna go down. I don't know why it's not letting me see the okay, so 35,000 people are registered on this account. So it's not letting me see what's it called? It's not letting me see the rest of the money, which is fine. I'm interested about this because I kind of want to climb the leaderboard and make some money as well because they're gonna pay me 3 G's if I'm in the top 50. So that's what I'm waiting for, and that's kind of that's too. But so that's it, guys. I will keep you guys updated, and hopefully this is gonna be an interesting challenge. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much.